Assalamu alaikum, happy 2018 friends. If you're still recovering from New Year celebrations, I have just the recipe to kick off your January. This nacho chicken soup is overflowing with bold flavors. It's a crowd-pleasing hit and a fabulous weeknight meal. So let's go and see what we need for this recipe. To start up the soup, take a large heavy stock pot, heat some olive oil over medium-high heat and then add onion and start cooking for 2 minutes until they are translucent. Then add some minced garlic and stir for 1 more minute. Now time to add some seasoning, ground cumin, red chili and dried oregano, and start mixing for another minute until mixture is very well combined. And now add cans of fire roasted tomatoes with all of its juices. If you don't have one, you can use the regular diced tomatoes as well. Then add some black beans and corns and then stir until everything is combined. I used canned corns and black beans for this recipe. You can use frozen or fresh ones as well. And then add some shredded chicken. I'm using chicken which I took out when I was making a fresh chicken stock. You can use leftover chicken or a store-bought rotisserie chicken as well. Now it's time to add some chicken stock. As I already mentioned, I made the chicken stock and I keep my chicken stock in the freezer. So my chicken stock is still frozen. So just cover the top and simmer for 10-15 minutes as my stock was frozen. So it took a little more time to get it warm through. Then add some salt and freshly crushed black pepper to taste if needed. And now your soup is ready to serve. The soup leftover keep really well in fridge. Don't add garnishes until it's ready to serve. Now divide your soup into individual serving bowls. Sprinkle some shredded cheese on top and garnish with some chopped cilantro. And serve it with some nacho chips. Good, wholesome, hearty ingredients, bold and irresistible flavors. All the food groups in one big pot and takes only 30 minutes. I'm pretty confident that if you try it, you will like it and everyone else will like you for making it. And don't forget to take a picture and send me on Facebook, Twitter or on Instagram. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.